Hello, everyone. Today, I'm gonna do the first market analysis and property analysis for the Tulum real estate market and for one of the villas we are currently listing. And I'm gonna explain you why I'm doing first this villa, but hopefully you will subscribe and follow us and like this video to keep because I'm gonna keep doing this every week, posting about analysis about the market and about some properties. I'm starting with one of our properties because you're gonna see as I go through the market data why we are very confident on this opportunity. And I know it so well that for me it's easier to start doing this first video explaining that property. But of course, I'm gonna moving forward on the next videos analyze different types of properties. You can leave it in the comments which kind of properties you want me to analyze if you like the way I do it. So let's start. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at the market right now. The market grade of Tulum is B minus, which means it is like a rating. It could be A plus, of course, B plus. So right now it has gone from A plus to B minus. Why? Okay, so one of the reasons is because the rental growth, the number of listings has continued increasing over the past few years, the past couple of years, at a very steady rate. So we currently, let me clear this filter. We currently have 9,390 active rentals that are distributed between one bedrooms, two bedrooms, three bedrooms, four bedrooms, and more. So you can see it has passed in 2020 from 4,600 rentals to 10,900, more than double in 2 years, 3 years, let's say. So yeah, 3 years. In 3 years, it doubled the offer, right? And you can see like 42% of the rentals are one bedroom, 30% are two bedrooms. We have studios, so already there we have 80% of the demand. Sorry, of the offer is between one bed to two beds, which is crazy, right? But look, which is interesting is that rentals for more than four bedrooms haven't increased too much 380 rentals with four to five bedrooms or more. So that's why I'm going to start with one of our listings, Amge. Here you can see this is our website. We launched it a couple of months ago. We just updated here. We have a blog section that we are updating. You can take a look at. And here you can find information about this property I'm going to be talking about today. You can contact us, schedule appointment with us, see why this is a good investment, and more. But today we're going to focus on the numbers, and that's why I created this um, beautiful presentation, very brief, very straight to the point. This is a property I'm talking about today. Amgepis is a villa, operates in Airbnb as a villa, as an eight-bedroom villa, but it has the hotel and restaurant permits. So it's a commercial type property, and it has eight bedrooms and rents out as a villa. So this is the investment opportunity we have. The villa was finished in 2019, started operating end of that year, like December, and since then it is bringing a lot of revenue to the developers and current owners. Um, the current price of this property is $2.79 million, and with that price, it's giving around a 10% cap rate. So if you don't know what a cap rate is, I will explain it in detail in another video. But basically, is net operating income it gives every year divided by the price. So this 10% is calculated how much net operated income gives per year for the property value. That means with a 10% cap rate, it could be the investment amount could be recovered in a 10-year period. That without considering appreciation or increases in revenue, which I want to talk about right now, because this is the case where you can get this property at $2.7 million and then increase its value through some renovations, strategy, pricing strategies, management strategies, and then also for the same reason increase the property value and recover that amount of money even faster. Why am I saying this? Because I did a benchmark, a similar property that is this property is renting in average like in $1,400 a night in average. It depends on the season. I have low and high seasons, but in average is 1,400. And then we have other properties in Aldea Sama, for example, that has similar characteristics, but is renting 3 to 4 times more, right? I'm gonna go through the rates so you can know check in detail the seasonality and the rates per season. But this villa again is an 8 bedroom. The other one is a 10 bedroom, so it's just a difference of 2 bedrooms and a couple of amenities that we could you could aggregate, add, renovate um to this property and increase the revenue. So the upcoming growth, Tulum, as you might know, has been experiencing a lot of growth. Those not only in terms of real estate properties like we just saw, but in terms of infrastructure, which is good. So the infrastructure for Tulum is going in different angles, but the two main ones are the Tulum International Airport and the Mayan train. So these two are going to bring a lot of tourism to the area. Right now, Tulum receives around 2 million visitors per year. And with the Tulum airport, the Mayan train is expected to surpass the 5 million visitors per year, giving the capacity, the connectivity to other areas. And well, with the Tulum airport, lower price tickets, easier connectivity, easier people looking, buying cheaper flights to come here, straightforward flights like non-stop. So already some airlines taking making some deals with the government to start operating. They're eager to start operating because Tulum is such a destination that they want to be the first operating here. So now let me go back to the nightly rates and the potential I was just mentioning. So and I'll move quickly this. So Amber Peace, the villa we listed, I was mentioning, it has 8 bedrooms, sleeps 16 guests, has an average daily rate or nightly rate of 1,400, has different seasons, right? And then we can compare it to this other one where you can see, like, for example, high season, or let's say low. So in low season, Amber Peace is renting for $1,300 per night, and the other one is renting in low season in almost $6,000 per night. So that's a huge difference. That's more than 5 times, right? So no, not more than five, but around. You can see, like, for instance, let's see, New Year's, 1,200, 12. I mean $12,000 per night, and the minimum stay is 7 nights. Amber Peace is charging 2,700 dollars per night. So there is a huge potential to make a better pricing strategy in this property, right? This is very important. The pricing strategy, the amenities, things you put in the property that make it attractive for Airbnb guests to book it, right? Of course. So now talking about these additions I would make to this property, I would say that first, increase, of course, the accommodation, right? The capacity. We were talking about this benchmark property that can host uh, 26 guests. Amber Peace can host 16, so it would mean an increase of 8 to 10 people. That could be through one of these bedrooms. Look, you can like in the rooftop of Amber Peace, you can like you have plenty of space to accommodate, build on top an additional bedroom with all the facilities like bathroom, the ensuite experience of the bathrooms, like plenty of space, and increase this capacity. Then I would add a rooftop swimming pool with sun decks and bar in the same rooftop. There would be still plenty of space to add that rooftop pool with the jungle views and the sun more um, heavy for there to tan, like everyone is interested about coming to a beach destination and take a good tan, right? So the swimming pool and the rooftop with the jungle views would be amazing. Then an open cinema. I would reconditionate the bar, add a jungle gym, and even a spa. That is totally possible. There are not very crazy changes in the property. All the infrastructure plans are in place to make these accommodations. And then, of course, they're not too expensive either. So I made some rough calculations of how much it would take to make these renovations, how long it would take. It's less than $200,000, between 2 to 3 months. So I'm gonna exit this presentation and go here to the Airbnb listing. This is the Airbnb listing. You can see it's listed as an entire villa. You can see in December, which is the high season here in Tulum, people coming from the north, from the cold places to look for some sunlight. And this is the high season. For 20 nights, it's 666,000 pesos, which is around almost $40,000. Yeah, let me quickly open the folder of this project. Sorry. So yeah, this is what I want to open. So you can take a look at the numbers, right? You can see here the net operating income of the 12 last months is 231,000 euros. That is around $250, $260,000 net operating income. So that's what I mean when I was mentioning that this property has around a 10% cap rate. So you take the net operating income and divide it by, maybe you already know this, but just in case someone else is watching this video that don't know, you divide the net operating income by the purchase price. So yeah, this is the opportunity we have. One of the reasons I'm very confident on this opportunity is, as you saw, there's not huge offering on the space. Actually, if we take a look at the top properties here, you'll find that Amber Peace is top 10 property. of all Tulum. And if we go and check the region 15 where it's located, it's top property, number one. So I'm not telling you any lies. This is one of the top properties. You can see here where it's located. It's jumping here in the little map you can see on the right. It's not too far from the downtown, 10 minutes away from the beach. But as you can see, there's most of the properties, if we go back to the overview, are located in this area. So not too many properties located towards the beach. You can see here, Amber Peace is located around this area. So yeah, the market grade again is um, not so good, but still we have very good deals like this one, Amber Peace, that can give you a good yield, 10%, and has a lot of growth potential comparing to similar properties. So that's, I think that's all. If you think I forgot something, leave it in the comments. Hit subscribe if you like it. Give me any property you would like me to analyze. Follow us on our social media, and in Instagram we are like at Antel Real Estate. Myself, I'm like at and the Jungle Realtor, at the Jungle Realtor again. And yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and make your research, use the data, and if you need more help, contact us. We can assist you getting more insights about Tulum. Thanks.